Is your check engine light on with P0430 code? Before you spend hundreds or even thousands on a catalytic converter, stop right now. Because in many cases, the real problem is just a small exhaust leak. And today I'll show you 2 simple DIY fixes that can save you money fast. How to repair leaky exhaust pipes. Watch this video to learn how to fix the P0430 error code yourself. P0430 means that the engine is close to bank 2, your catalyst system is below the performance threshold, indicating that the catalytic converter is not working efficiently, causing the car to emit harmful fumes out pollutants. If you are getting the P0430 error code, watch this video to show you 2 effective solutions to fix this error code at home. Method A. Use exhaust repair putty. The exhaust system starts from the engine combustion chamber and runs along the underside of the car, ending at the visible tailpipe. If there are any holes around the corners, use some exhaust putty to seal them. Use a wire brush or sandpaper to clean the damaged section. Remove rust, dirt, loose debris. The surface must be clean so the putty sticks properly. Now, apply high-temp exhaust repair putty over the crack or hole. Spread it thick and smooth around the leak area. Make sure it fully covers the damaged section. Wait 2 to 24 hours, depending on the product instructions. Once cured, start the engine and listen again. If the leak sound is gone, you're good. Method B. Use exhaust heat wrap. Since exhaust pipes are usually made of rolled steel and have welded seams on them, these seams are often the source of leaks. First, take sandpaper and a damp cloth to clean the leak thoroughly. To apply properly, take out the heat wrap and soak it in water for about 30 to 40 seconds to start the activation process. Then, take it out of the water and squeeze out the excess water. Wrap it tightly around the area, leaving a few inches extra on each side. Repeat this process 3 or 4 times, then give it some pressure to spread the resin all over. Then start the car and let the engine run for 30 minutes so that the engine heat hardens it and makes it a permanent solution. Important warning: if code P0430 returns after repairing leaks, then check rear O2 sensor, catalytic converter condition, fuel trim issues, engine misfires. Never replace a catalytic converter before checking leaks first. You could save hundreds. Subscribe for real mechanic fixes that save money.